welcome back to my channel Little Curves. I know there is some change in the lighting, but I'm really very sorry because you know the shifting time is going on, and today's video is all about diet. Since I'm a dietitian, I can talk about it, as you all know. So today I'm going to talk about diet. So let's get started. So today's video is all about, like, everyone, I get so many messages that they want to start with diet and how to start. I do consultancy, okay? In case if you need a customized diet, you can check out or email me, okay? And in general, I'm going to talk about 5 points which should be remembered whenever you start any diet, either it is weight loss or weight gain. Both the times, these diet tips are really very important. So the number one thing is having a plan where your diet regimen will fit. Like, you know, most of you ask me that is diet the only thing to weight loss, or exercise is also important? It's more like energy give and take thing. तो दोनों चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, अंडरस्टैंड इट. इवन इन वेट लॉस और वेट गेन, बोथ दोनों चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपको भूख लगेगी जब आप एनर्जी बाहर दोगे, और सेम वे जब आप बहुत सारा खाओगे तभी भी आपको एनर्जी बाहर देनी है. एंड यू हैव टू एक्सरसाइज, एंड इट डिपेंड्स ऑन क्या आप काम करते हो. अगर आप बैठने का काम रोज कर रहे हो, कहीं आप रोज बैठे हुए हो, सो यू नीड टू प्लान आउट फॉर अ वर्कआउट. लाइक यू नीड टू स्पेंड दैट टाइम फॉर अ वर्कआउट, प्रॉपर वर्कआउट. और I don't recommend you to go to a gym and, you know, start with high intensity workout. Go with normal walk. एक normal 30 minutes walk से start करो. And once the body, because body को भी time लगता है, ये आपकी body है और उसे भी time लगता है. It's like a clay. आप जिस तरह से mold करोगे वो हो जाएगी, but it takes time. तो आप ये ज़रूर याद रखो कि you should spend enough time on the body and start with a plan. Okay, a plan is really very important, and you can take guidance also through a dietitian around you, or you can consult me, anyone. So you know, you should have a proper plan. The number 2 thing is prepare your mind. After preparing your diet plan, prepare your mind also. Like, after having a plan, start preparing your mind with 1 to 2 days, and then don't go on a very strict diet. Or, you know, even through my patients, I don't put them on a very strict thing to restrict everything and just go on a very strict diet, because that will not encourage in long terms. जब एक टाइम बीत जाता है, जैसे 15-20 दिन के बाद, you start craving, and every food is really very important. तो you know, you should start with little things and start with a diary pattern, which is my 3rd point. And like, I'm mixing the 2nd and the 3rd point. It's have a diary pattern with you. This is what I always recommend. In fact, in our diet plans, we do give some printouts and pamphlets and all these things in that package. And one thing is diary pattern, which is really very must, so that you write it down, whatever is experience you are getting. And it helps, like, even your dietitian, it helps कि कहाँ आप गलत जा रहे हो या सही जा रहे हो. और मैं भी ऐसे ही करके जानती हूँ that my patient did not go right here, or if she binged ड्यूरिंग दैट डे, या कुछ भी. आपके पास एक फॉर्मेट, एक लिखा हुआ होना चाहिए. आइदर यू कैन मेक नोट्स ऑन योर मोबाइल, और एल्स यू कैन स्टार्ट विद अ डायरी पैटर्न. सो दीज 2 things are really very important. First is the planning thing, then second, to fit it not very strictly into your, you know, lifestyle, but start with small thing. Reward yourself with small things. And third is to maintain a diary, which is really very important thing whenever you come to any kind of diet plans. Okay, the 4th thing is very simple thing, is start reading labels are really very important. ऊपर जब आप देखते हो, I will make a separate video where I'll show you how to read a label. Soon I'm going to prepare that video, but today I just want to talk. It's very important कि आगे जो लिखा था ना, diet mixture, ये mixture. In fact, I have made a video on breads, so do check it out. I'll link it down in the description box. Breads के बारे में आपको इतना कुछ पता चलेगा कि कितना false लिखा होता है ये browned और ये सब through that video. video. So please check the labels. The labels are really very important to read. It should be there, a must exercise whenever you plan for any diet, okay, anything, because ऊपर तो उन्होंने लिख देते हैं कि डाइट मिक्सचर, बट पीछे की कैलोरीज, द सर्विंग साइज, ये सब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें भी इंपॉर्टेंट रहती है. इट्स नॉट लाइक मैंने 2 चपाती खाई फिर क्यों वेट गेन हो रहा है, मैं 2 चपाती खा रही हूँ फिर क्यों वेट लॉस हो रहा है. इट्स नॉट दैट वे. इट्स लाइक साइज, द क्वांटिटी, द क्वालिटी, what you are eating, that's also very important when we plan a diet. Okay, the fifth thing, which is really very important thing, is to never ever underestimate yourself. Even if the thing goes wrong for day 1 or day 2, there are other days coming. So please motivate, never compare your growth with someone else's, because every body is different, and I've said about this in my last video also. So this thing is very important to understand, that where you fall, what's your body structure, what kind of biochemical, like your blood test, your things, like a PCOS patient will really take a little bit more time to lose weight because of the problem. Okay, so these things come into it, and never underestimate. Your mind plays really the most important role when it comes to any diet plan. I would also add on a point: start investing time in making your meal or understanding your food. Like even if your mother prepares, be there. You will come to know so many things that अच्छा यहाँ घर में ऑयल थोड़ा ज़्यादा यूज़ हो रहा है तो थोड़ा मैं कम करवाऊँ, या इस खाने में इतना ही ऑयल चाहिए. स्टार्ट इवन दिस एक्सरसाइज, लाइक मी एंड आदित्य, वी डू दिस ऑलवेज. लाइक वी बोथ go to buy vegetables so that we see that buffet of vegetables and we buy whatever we want. Like Aditya could choose for himself and I do it for myself. This exercise is really very nice and very beneficial, so that you come to know so many fruits, so many colors in the market. नहीं तो घर पे जो बनता है आपको पता ही नहीं चलता, मार्केट में इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं. सो बेटर गो बाय वेजिटेबल्स. रात को चले जाओ, कभी भी चले जाओ, बट इन्वेस्ट टाइम इन बाइंग योर ओन फूड. Okay, that's really the must exercise which should be done, and I always recommend, I always make sure that my patient do this, because it's not patient but any client or anyone, I generally tell them to do this exercise, because it really allows you to come to so many things in the market. Like oats दिख जाते हैं, कभी आपको राइस ब्रांड की चीज़ें दिख जाती है, आप अपना ऑयल देख सकते हैं. यू शुड लुक, यू शुड हंट फॉर फूड, बिकॉज आप खा रहे हैं उस खाने को. सो इट्स रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. स्टार्ट doing these small steps. Let me know how you are feeling the change. Like do it for 1 week at least, and write it down and share it with me. I would love to know about it, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. So do subscribe to my channel, hit the button like, and stay connected for more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.